Okay, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about weight. So for my own self, in my own life, I've got what I consider regular size horses. So your average quarter horse, maybe 15 hands, might be around 1,000 pounds, could be up to 1,200 pounds, maybe even a little less. With using large draft breed horses, and Percherons to be specific in here, they tend to be a lot heavier. They can be between 1,800 pounds and 2,000 pounds. So again, with working with Daryl, what we recognized was when we put 2 of our horses onto this trailer, we have a G license. So those horses do not exceed the weight. When we put the 3rd horse on, now we're actually exceeding the weight and we are into an A restricted license. Putting a 4th horse on, and again, if each of these horses average about 2,000 pounds, that's 8,000 pounds just in horse. So you could potentially be putting yourself over the ability for your vehicle to tow this vehicle, so over your gross vehicle weight. So something to consider when you're using a truck and trailer system is the type of horses that you have and the actual weight of your horses that you are carrying, and you could be potentially overweight if you put in horses that are beyond the capacity of the truck and trailer.